In this video we will learn how to protect yourself from cyber threats. Protect your router and network. Like other connected devices, your internet router could provide a backdoor into your network or machine. Avoid suspicious links and software. Don't make hacking easy for hackers by doing the work for them. Never click on suspicious links or open questionable attachments, especially from people you're not expecting to email you. And download software only if you're sure it's 100% legit. Security scanners. Detecting threats with a malware and virus removal tool that scans your computer in real time helps close security holes before hackers can exploit them. Use strong passwords. Create complex passwords that include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Keep software updated. Regularly update your operating system, antivirus software, and other applications to patch security vulnerabilities. Install a firewall. Enable the built-in firewall on your operating system or install a reputable third-party firewall to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Use antivirus software. Install and regularly update reputable antivirus or anti-malware software to protect against viruses, malware, and other threats. Be cautious with emails. Avoid clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown or suspicious emails. Phishing attempts often use email as a way to deliver malware. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Set a strong password for your Wi-Fi network to prevent unauthorized access. Use WPA3 encryption if available. Regular backups. Back up your important data regularly to an external drive or a cloud service. This helps in case of ransomware attacks or data loss. Enable two-factor authentication. Wherever possible, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Be careful with downloads. Only download files and software from reputable sources. Avoid downloading cracked or pirated software, as they may contain malware. Monitor account activity. Keep an eye on your accounts for any suspicious activities. If you notice anything unusual, take appropriate actions such as changing passwords or contacting the service provider. If you believe your computer has been compromised, seek the help of a professional or a reputable cybersecurity service to assess and address the issue. It's important to prioritize legal and ethical practices to ensure the security of your digital assets. Continually check the accuracy of personal accounts and deal with any discrepancies right away. Use extreme caution when entering chat rooms or posting personal web pages. Limit the personal information you post on personal web pages. Carefully monitor requests by online, friends, or acquaintances for predatory behavior. Keep personal and financial information out of online conversations. Don't open messages from unknown senders. Immediately delete messages you suspect to be spam. Make sure that you have the best security software products installed on your PC. Use antivirus protection. Get anti-spyware software protection. Use a two-way firewall. Update your operating system regularly. Increase your browser security settings. Avoid questionable websites. Only download software from sites you trust. Carefully evaluate free software and file sharing applications before downloading them.